So you may be having an issue where for some reason one AirPod is just not charging, maybe the other one is charging, but one specific one isn't working. Now, the main reason why this is happening for the most part is typically due to the one AirPod not connecting properly inside of the actual AirPod case. So what you'll have to do first of all is just look inside of the case itself and see if there's any issues within the case, whether there's something protruding here, maybe it's not clicking in all the place as well. That is one of the easiest ways to go and tell. Now, with the AirPod itself, what I would recommend doing is actually looking at the bottom of the AirPod right here and just making sure that there's nothing stuck within this specific portion. Another thing I'd recommend doing is actually making sure that within the bottom of this AirPod that there wasn't anything corroding or possibly broken with this AirPod. If there is, then sometimes that can be the issue. So that's probably the first thing and first set of things that I'd recommend doing. On top of that, I'd recommend when you click into the case itself, maybe taking the other AirPod out and then putting it back in and then closing the case. That sometimes will end up working as well. Now, another thing I recommend doing is looking at the bottom of the case and making sure the case itself was actually charged as well. Sometimes that can be the issue. If you didn't charge the case fully, that can be the problem. But another thing I've seen many times is that some people will end up using one case more frequently than the other one. So people will end up using maybe the left or right AirPod a little bit more than maybe the other one. And the problem with that is over time, and let's say I'm always using the left AirPod or whatever the case is, well, if I end up doing that, the battery health of this one AirPod is going to go down significantly more than this one because I'm using this a lot more. So because of that, this one has a higher potential of actually dying or end up, being corroded and having issues than this one because I'm using this one a lot more. So if it's the one AirPod you're using a lot more than the other one, you may just have to either replace this AirPod or just understand that it may not have as great battery life compared to the other one. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.